Hook, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to deposit a larger than usual check but were hit with a limit? It's frustrating, right? Well, today, we're going to dive into how you can increase your check deposit limit in Relay Bank. Context: Relay Bank is a popular choice for many people due to its convenience and accessibility. However, like many banks, it has a standard check deposit limit to prevent fraud and ensure security. But what if you need to deposit a larger amount? Let's explore the steps involved. Step 1. Understand your current limit. Before you can request an increase, it's essential to know your current limit. This information can usually be found in your online banking account or by contacting Relay Bank customer service. Step 2. Gather necessary information. To support your request, you might need to provide certain information. This could include identification, proof of identity, such as a driver's license or passport. Income, evidence of income, like pay stubs or tax returns. Account history, information about your account's history, including deposit and withdrawal activity. Step 3. Contact Relay Bank customer service. The most direct way to request an increase is to contact Relay Bank's customer service. You can do this by phone, online chat, or in person at a branch. Step 4. Explain your reason. When you reach out to customer service, be clear about your reason for needing a higher limit. For example, if you're selling a property or receiving a large inheritance, explain the situation. Step 5. Provide required documentation. Be prepared to provide the necessary documentation as requested. This might involve uploading documents online or mailing them to the bank. Step 6. Wait for a response. The processing time for a check deposit limit increase can vary. Relay Bank will review your request and inform you of the decision. Additional tips. Be patient. The process might take some time, so be patient and follow up if you haven't heard back within a reasonable time frame. Consider alternatives. If you need to deposit a large check immediately, you might explore other options, such as visiting a different branch or using a mobile check deposit app. Maintain a good account history. A positive account history can improve your chances of getting your limit increased. Avoid overdraft fees and maintain a healthy balance. Conclusion: increasing your check deposit limit in Relay Bank is a relatively straightforward process. By understanding your current limit, gathering necessary information, and contacting customer service, you can successfully request an increase to accommodate your financial needs. Call to action: have you ever encountered a situation where a higher check deposit limit would have been helpful? Share your experiences in the comments below. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.